Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Navy Federal bank account with Wave apps. So if you're new to using Wave apps, this video is for you. It's going to be particularly useful for individuals who are maybe just getting started with Wave apps. Maybe you want to start keeping better track of your financials and your transactions. And so I can speak from experience knowing that Wave Apps is an absolutely fantastic app or software to actually keep track of your financials. At the end of every year, I'm able to get my balance sheet and my profit and loss sheet and then send that over to my accountant or bookkeeper. Now, there's not going to be a lot of steps, guys. Be sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now, once we actually log onto Wave Apps, this is what our dashboard is going to look like. So you're going to scroll down to where it says banking and then click on banking, and then you're going to click on connected accounts. So from this page, you're going to see a list of banks, and down over here, you're going to see the Navy Federal Bank. So click on the Navy Federal Bank. And then from here, it's simply just asking Plaid to connect your account. So do rest assured that Plaid connects in seconds, and it's basically being used to keep your data safe. So Plaid is used by other banking institutions such as Acorns, Coinbase, Venmo, all these banking transactions. I've used Plaid before and it's been absolutely fine, guys, but just click on continue from here. And then from here, you're going to enter in your phone number, but continue as guest. And then from here, it's now asking you to log into your Navy Federal Credit Union Bank. So this right here, you're going to need your account information to actually log into Navy Federal Credit Union. And then once you actually log in, you need to make sure that this checkbox here is actually checked. So this is going to allow you to share all your accounts with Wave apps. So click on continue, then log in, and then share your accounts with Wave apps. So this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Navy Federal Credit Union bank account. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.